Okay, I've just been looking out my window and there's this black thing just hovering there in between the high rises. I don't know what it is. So where is it? Gotta get myself my bearings. Okay, just around here somewhere. There it is, just there. No idea what it is. I can't see. It wasn't here earlier. I was only out here at 12 o'clock and it's like 1:30 or something. I've been looking out here for the clouds and this black thing, and it's another thing in front of, on top of it, a little dot of something in front of it that's moving away from it. And now it looks like it's moving. I don't know what the hell it is. It is not, there's no sound. It's not a plane. It is not a helicopter. It's moving away now. Whatever it is, it's like it's dragging it or carrying it. But I don't know what the hell it is. I've never ever seen anything like that here. And you know, I've been looking at these bloody windows on this balcony for hours and hours and hours. And now it's getting up higher into the sky. And you can see whatever it is above it. Can't see anything attached to it. If I was, it sort of even looks like it's going up and down, whatever it is. If I wasn't crazy, I'd say it looked like a bird carrying something. You know how when their wings flap and they sort of go down lower and then they go up higher? That's what it sort of looks like. It's not a hot air balloon. I've got no idea what it is. Wish I could get closer, guys. It's just every day there's something weird. I can't believe it. This is just crazy. This is ridiculously crazy. So it's getting further away. And that's the ocean out there. Because that's down there, that's towards Broadbeach. So you've got Surfers Paradise where the Q1 is, and that's down towards Broadbeach. So it's not anybody that's up in a plane, in a boat or anything. Nothing like that. Look how high it's getting. This is just freaking unbelievable around here. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm doing my head in. I've just been watching KJ, the scariest movie ever, doing his latest, you know, what's happening. And then I'm sitting down to have a bite to eat, and I happen to glance out my window, as I do, and that's where I'd been out looking, and then I sat down to watch him, and then I see this bloody black thing hovering there, just there. Look at the size of it. Look at it. It's black, it's big, and it's got something above it. Just watch it for a bit and see what happens to it. So you can see it's going down behind one of the buildings. So I'm going to sort of lose sight of it soon. I hear helicopters all the way down at Shipstone, which is to the right of all there. Look at it now. It's like a flag or something, but it's not waving in the wind. Okay, it's gone behind the building now. You can still see that thing up above the top of the building there, little black dot. If it's a drone, it's a very, very powerful drone. If that's what it is. Will it come out the other end, or will it go straight up? Where's it going to go? Yeah, it comes out that end. Okay. There's lights or something coming off it. Oh, it's got writing on it. So maybe it is it. You know how they used to do all the writing in the sky writers? Let's see if it comes around my way. Comes closer, then I can read what's on there. Yeah, there's whatever it is. Okay, it's right out the front of the Q1 now. Oh, I'm on the wrong side, sorry. Right out where the Q1 is. Sorry, I've been in the wrong place. So it is I think it is a helicopter. What the hell is it? Well, it's nothing for the 4th of July, is it? Because it's black. Don't know what it is. Yeah, I think it's a helicopter carrying whatever it is. Can't get any closer. Okay, it's going to go back behind the building now. Okay, the helicopter or whatever it is has come out that end. Now it's coming across. I'll probably land it soon. I have no idea what it is. Or why somebody would be doing that right there. There's no protest that I'm aware of. We don't have any celebrations today. So for that to just randomly appear, is a bit weird. So I'm going to go and have a look and see if I can find out what somebody might have been protesting about right now. Because a black flag, that to me does not signal good things. Not good things at all. See, from here you can't tell what it is. Just the way the light is. You can't see what it is. Okay, so when it goes on the side like that, you have no idea what it is or what's carrying it because you've got no scale. Now it's moving really fast again. Because they want it shown, whatever's written on there. They want people to see. But I don't know what it is. And they want people down on the beach to see it. I'm assuming that we have people down at the beach now. And now it's gone behind one of the high rises over there. They must have landed it because it hasn't come out this end. Don't know where it's gone. Maybe they only get 5 minutes advertising on it, who knows. But yeah, but anyway, just another little quirky thing that happens on a freaky Saturday on the 4th of July here on the Gold Coast, headed out over the beach. So between Surfers Paradise, Broad Beach and Main Beach, all down around here. So anyway, don't know if I'll post this, I might. I need to find out what the relevance of it was and what was written on it. That'll probably be the main decisive factor for me, because now I know it was a helicopter. So, but anyway, so let's do a quick pan around. Lovely, 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 as they say in England, lovely, lovely. It's time for a cuppa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's still cold. There's my marker. Yeah, it's still cold, but absolutely glorious. So I hope it's nice wherever you are, not too hot wherever you are in the northern hemisphere. Yeah, the heat is bad, the cold is too bad. It's like the Goldilocks, perfect, perfect zone where everyone's happy. But anyway, I'm gonna go now. Oh, it's back over there. Sorry, I don't mean to go so fast. Pretend you're on a movie world ride. Here, it's poking out over there somewhere now. But that's okay, we know what it is. So I'm gonna finish off here. See you later. Bye.